gifts for my birthday. I don't know if you could see them.
Yeah, they're not really for your birthday either.
Oh, yeah. I opened some of my birthday presents early. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay. I also got these Nerf guns. The other one's over there. Yeah. My birthday's in 2 days, and I'm really excited. Tomorrow, my birthday party. What I want for my birthday is for you guys to subscribe. Julia's trying to hit 20 subscribers. Your wedding dance. Is that your wedding dance in Uno?
No.
Do your wedding dance in Uno. Okay. Show the screen.
Okay.
I don't know if I can see you really well. Yeah, I got a bunch of new fidgets.
Let's
Julia's
see
still got the same
the
thing.
view. Okay. Oh no! I broke my mouthwash.
Wait, Joel, wait. Give me this real quick.
I broke it! Look at the marble!
Joel, wait.
I
Look
broke
at the
it!
crunchy crawlers in there.
Oh my god.
That's not gonna work. That's 100% just not gonna work. Wait a minute. It's stuck. It's stuck. No, it's not. No, it's not. I got it.
Give me! Okay. Should get it out.
Here we go. Here we go.
The marble! Okay.
I just got my room cleaned like 3 hours ago.
Let's
Alright, fidget trade.
fidget trade! Hold on, let's say it at the same time.
Fidget trade.
Fidget trade. Okay.
Fidget trade.
Fidget
Fidget trade.
trade.
Close
Alright,
enough.
close. It's fine.
Okay, ready?
Yeah! Hold on, let's talk.
Okay.
Why?
It's super cool. It's rainbow and it's a keyboard.
Mine's super legendary because it's tie-dye.
Yeah, I already got tie-dye things, so
That's not tie.
add one more little thing, like a water timer or
Okay,
something.
decline.
You're about my
You're
slinky. Yeah, it's a mega slinky. Big boy. Big chungus. You don't like big chungus?
No.
Oh, guys, how was your Halloween? Like if it was good. Oh, also, subscribe if you got so much candy. We got so much candy.
And nothing means dislike.
Yeah, just like if you're a hater.
Actually, don't even dislike. If you do, my brother's gonna shoot the camera.
I'm armed, brothers.
You got 2 of those.
Yeah, I got the
Try, I'm gonna trade you my dog.
Hey, I know Fortnite isn't sponsoring us, and I'm not trying to get I'm not trying to get sued. But
I know
yeah,
how to do a scary crab walk.
Fortnite, brothers.
I actually do.
Epic Games, Fortnite is fun, but I'm not allowed to play it anymore. I used to be allowed
That's
to.
for Moana.
But yeah,
Yeah. With your hands.
hashtag not sponsored, but yeah.
Why am I doing
Please don't
jumping
copyright.
jacks?
Wait, copyright? This thing doesn't have any bullets. Let's just fidget trade.
Yeah. Ow.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
next.
you my dog.
Don't be funny.
Okay.
Don't be funny. Don't be funny.
Okay.
Don't be so funny.
I'm gonna show you this. Yes!
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, and guys, so this when like we hit the ground 2 times, that's decline. When we hit it 3 times, that's add. That's add. And when we just keep hitting it, that's accept. Okay? Just in case you didn't know, which you probably don't. But yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna trade feed you my bunny mochi.
Takeaway. I already have one.
Okay.
Something else.
Do you want to offer for my bike chain since you know?
I kind of like bike chains. I'll offer you one of my extra acupressure rings. Accept.
Sure. Acupressure rings are one of my
Are
dreams.
they common? Or
No,
are they?
no, they're rare.
And guys, check out this sick DNA ball. It's so satisfying. The acupressure ring out of the camera. It's so satisfying. Squishy. You should do like ASMR videos with like your fidgets.
What the fuck? Get open!
Tired.
I just said get open.
Today's been a long day. We did a bunch of homeschool with our friends. And our friend just came over about an hour ago.
Who was it?
Alright. Bodie. We're seeing him again tomorrow.
Yep.
I'll do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even though I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. I need
You do the same.
Don't copyright us, please. Yeah.
What does copyright mean again?
Means like you sue someone for like playing music. Well, we're not playing, we're singing. I hope you like our singing. If you don't, it's fine. We're
I
not
just
very good
broke
at
my
it.
marble mesh. That was so sad.
I'll do the same thing I told you that I never would.
It's
Told
like
you I'd
it's pooping
change,
out the
even
marble.
though I knew I never.
Try. It's like it's pooping out the marble. Hit it with part.
Can I offer for your orange marble mesh?
Why?
Because I like orange.
I have a broken marble mesh and a blue one.
I will trade you my golden fidget spinner. Actually, no. How about my mini Papa Tube? They're rare. No, they're ultra rare, but I'll still accept.
Okay.
Give me.
Yeah! The big
Whoa.
pumpkins are legendary.
Yeah, the big ones are legendary. I think the mini ones are ultra rare, though. Can I offer for your big one?
No. It's not for trade.
What about my poppet spinner?
It's called a double spinner.
Okay, guys, like if it's a poppet spinner, and subscribe if it's a dimple spinner.
Yeah. We
It's
do
poppet
things.
spinner.
It's called dimple spinner.
It's a poppet spinner.
Excuse me.
It is a poppet spinner, and it's probably my favorite fidget I have.
At least pro fidgeters actually know that they're called.
Yeah, and you're not a pro fidgeter. Oh!
What about quad fidgeters? I'm not like a common fidgeter.
You're like a bra fidgeter. I'm a bra fidgeter.
Yeah. No one even knows what that means.
I'm smacking you with my textured monkey noodle.
Ow. Did you just leave that in my face?
I got a cyan one and like a sky blue one.
Yeah!
They're mine. Whack you with my... Let's have a textured monkey noodle fight.
Don't take 3. That's cheating.
Give. Alright, back to training. Back to training.
One that's
Trading. Okay. Tie-dye, infinite cube. You want it?
I want Rubik's in.
Add. One more thing.
Add.
Give it! Wait till let's do the thing where like I kept taking your stuff. Okay. You just keep offering. Taking your fidget. Give it him! Give it him! Give me your fidget! I'm taking your fidget! Okay, you can have them back.
Yeah!
I do the same thing I told you. We're not really treating. Hey! Oh, yo!
Give me it!
It's mine.
Excuse me, then I get to have.
Oh, wait, no, I forgot we traded. Bit squeeze. Bit squeeze.
Puppet squeeze.
Julia, do you wanna, this?
I'll
Add.
Decline.
How about the heart one? What will you offer for the heart one?
Wait, is there two?
Hey, why do you have a Nerf bullet in your fidget pile?
Is there? Oh no, that was
There's a katana sword. I've been practicing with swords.
Oh.
Give me all your fidgets. She has a gun. Oh, wait, put down the sword. Use the gun on me. She has a gun! Oh! Julia, you don't smack people with guns. You shoot them in the neck. You take the bullet. You take the bullet. You aim at them, and then you pull the trigger. I'm going to steal your fidgets.
Yeah! I'm alive now!
Okay. Do you want to trade for this?
No.
Bike chain.
Like, I'll offer you, your anti-fresh ring.
Give.
Where's that? Accept.
Decline.
No!
Decline. Give me back my fidget.
I'm sorry for that.
Offer this. I'll offer you this. Accept.
Yay!
What the?
What? Whack.
Quit whacking me. You're whacking me with the wrong side. You're supposed to hit me with the other side. Not that side. Julia! Why do you have to be mad? It's in the game.
Don't copyright us.
Just smack me. Give! It is mine!
Yeah. I'll show you mine.
Here, yeah, I'll take this for free. Hey! Oh, yo!
That was mine. You took it.
Decline! Wait, do you want to have a poppet tube fight?
But
Here,
I'm
you
gonna
use
take
yours.
one.
Here, you have these two.
No.
You're allowed to have 2 mini ones, or 1 big one.
One big.
Okay. Then I get all these.
No. That's not fair.
Okay, yeah, it is. Because you have 1 giant one. Hey, I'm still preparing, brothers. It's not fair. I'm still preparing. Get back! Get back! Back, I tell you. My thing is longer. Oh, yo! Help me, guys. You need to like and subscribe to help me. You guys liked and subscribed. Thank you.
I must break the
Fridge. Hit me in the arm. That hurt.
My tablet.
Ow. All good.
Whack.
Wait.
Summer 1. Summer 2.
Hey, Joe, can you check if my head's in the camera?
It's barely in the camera.
Okay.
I invite you to a duel. What?
I challenge you to a duel.
Yes, I accept.
Actually, a duel is like a. You could fight. Melee with the duel.
Mate. Ow.
Wait, pause. Pause. these things hurt. These things hurt more than you'd expect.
Don't fidget!
Here, wait, add.
We're not even fidget training anymore.
Add. We're having fun with fidgets.
Oh.
You should make the name of this
Troy,
video.
come down here. Come over here.
They're dead. All right.
They because they're glued to the ground.
I think
They're
far range. Far range. Oh, I just stepped on your paw print.
Don't you dare!
Oh God, you okay? She's good, guys. Okay, stop. Okay,
How
stop
much
the duel.
minutes have it been at? It's been 16 freaking minutes.
We still got a lot more time. Unless you want to end the video
20
here.
minutes!
Do you guys want to end the video here, maybe?
No.
Let's just play with fidgets now.
Ooh.
Don't end the video.
I'm not ending it. I'm just showing the dog.
It's dead. Oh God.
Why did you just kill the dog?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yo. Julia, I challenge you to a duel.
Why?
Julia, say you'll challenge me to a duel.
I challenge you to do it.
I mean, I would, but I think it'd be animal abuse.
What do you mean? That's not good.
Oh!
What does abuse mean?
Animal abuse is when you like smack a cow and then you feel bad about it. That's not what animal abuse. It's like when you like take like an animal and then you like abuse them.
Hey Troy,
Yeah.
you know, I'm just trying to tell the kids that are watching this video to know what they said.
No matter what
you
we bring down.
Wow.
That's just my
What's 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 32 is
To
64.
see the name of the ship was a ability.
40 plus 44 is 84. Hi, Mom.
The waterman wondering the sugar and tea. Under the waterman now in my playboy go. Alright, should we end the video here?
No.
Great.
I challenge you to another duel.
Okay, I'll duel you.
One last duel.
Ow! Bridge!
Are you okay?
No. Yeah, no more duels. Oh, wait. Alright, guys, I think we're going to wrap things up here.